grooming your pet at home should be a stress-free and enjoyable experience for both you and your furry friend. In today's video, we are counting down the top 5 Quiet Dog Grooming Clippers 2025, minimize pet anxiety, ensuring a calm and comfortable trimming session. These clippers are designed to reduce noise and vibration, making grooming easier for even the most sensitive pets. Check out the links to all the featured products in the description below, and let's get started with the video. Taking the 5th spot is the Holdog Professional Grooming Clipper, a quiet yet powerful tool designed to ease pet grooming anxiety. Featuring a 33-tooth titanium ceramic blade combined with a ceramic movable blade, this clipper smoothly cuts through double heavy coats, curly fur, and long hair while ensuring even heat dissipation for long-lasting performance. Unlike traditional 24-tooth cutter heads, this advanced design delivers smoother trimming and increased durability. The low noise and vibration feature, operating at just 50 decibels, ensures pets remain calm during grooming sessions. Equipped with a 3-speed rotary motor, this clipper offers professional-grade power without generating excessive heat or sound. The high-capacity 2,200 mAh lithium-ion battery charges in 3 hours and provides up to 4 hours of continuous runtime, making it perfect for full-body grooming of small to medium-sized dogs and cats. The kit includes 6 adjustable clipping combs ranging from 3 to 18 mm, along with a precision trimmer blade offering 5 length settings between 0.8 and 2 mm. This makes it beginner-friendly, allowing pet owners to safely groom their pets without fear of accidental cuts. With a sturdy build and ergonomic design, the Holdog Professional Grooming Clipper ensures a hassle-free grooming experience. Plus, it comes with 1 year of technical support, making it a reliable investment for pet owners seeking a stress-free way to groom their furry companions. At number 4, the Buenkee Dog Grooming Kit offers a powerful and mess-free grooming experience, ideal for pet owners who want a professional salon treatment at home. Featuring a strong 15,000 Pascal vacuum suction, it effectively traps 99.99% of pet hair and dander in its 2-liter dust cup, ensuring a clean workspace without fur spreading around the house. This large container minimizes the need for frequent emptying, making the grooming process even more convenient. The kit includes 4 essential attachments: a grooming brush and deshedding tool to remove loose and tangled hair, high-quality dog grooming clippers for precise haircuts, and a cleaning brush with a nozzle to maintain a tidy work area. With 3 adjustable speed modes, this dog grooming vacuum operates at a quiet 50 decibels, preventing unnecessary stress for pets. Designed for a silky smooth trimming experience, the sharp yet pet-safe clippers ensure an even cut without scratching or pulling fur. The 6 guide combs allow for customized hair lengths, helping pet owners achieve the perfect style for their furry companions. Buenkee's 20 years of experience in manufacturing dog clippers guarantees professional-grade quality and reliability. The extended hose and power cable provide added flexibility for effortless grooming, whether indoors or outdoors. With a combination of quiet operation, powerful suction, and 5 multifunctional grooming tools, the Buenkee Dog Grooming Kit is a top choice for pet owners looking for an innovative and stress-free solution. Plus, with round-the-clock customer support, it ensures lasting satisfaction. Next on our list is the Highdas Dog Grooming Kit Clippers, a reliable and quiet grooming solution designed for pet owners seeking a stress-free trimming experience. Featuring a high-speed yet low-noise motor, it operates at less than 50 decibels, ensuring pets remain calm and unafraid during grooming. The rechargeable design provides flexibility, allowing the clippers to function even while charging, so there is no worry about sudden power loss. Equipped with precision-cut titanium blades, it delivers a safe and smooth trim without pulling or causing discomfort. The ceramic blade ensures long-term sharpness and rust resistance, making it a durable choice for regular use. This kit includes 4 adjustable guard combs, ranging from 3 to 12 mm, offering versatility for different hair lengths. The detachable guide combs allow for quick changes, simplifying the grooming process. For pets with extremely long or thick hair, it is recommended to use the included scissors first to prevent the clipper from getting stuck. While the fast motor ensures efficient trimming, some pets may be more sensitive to the slight motor noise, so keeping them calm before grooming is advised. Designed for ease of use, The Highdas Dog Grooming Kit clippers provide a smooth and precise trimming experience, making them suitable for both beginners and experienced pet owners. Whether trimming short or long fur, this clipper set delivers professional quality results in the comfort of home, eliminating the need for frequent salon visits while ensuring pets look and feel their best. Taking the second spot is the Veeconn Dog Clippers, a versatile and quiet grooming tool designed for stress-free pet care. Equipped with a superior motor and whisper-quiet technology, it minimizes noise and vibration, keeping pets calm during grooming sessions. This complete grooming kit includes 3 trimmer heads and a nail grinder head, making it suitable for full body clipping and nail polishing for dogs, cats, and other furry companions. With 4 guided combs, pet owners can achieve precise hair lengths while ensuring comfort for their pet's scalp. The cordless design allows for unrestricted movement, making it easy to reach tricky areas like paws, ears, and the face. Featuring a rechargeable battery, this dog trimmer provides up to 90 minutes of continuous use after a 5-hour charge, eliminating the need for constant battery replacements or tangled cords. Its lightweight and ergonomic build enhances maneuverability, ensuring effortless grooming. Additionally, the trimmer is washable and can be cleaned directly under running water for hassle-free maintenance. Whether at home or on the go, this compact and portable clipper allows pet owners to groom their pets anytime and anywhere. Designed for convenience and efficiency, the Veeconn Dog Clippers offer a safe, relaxing, and precise trimming experience, making them an excellent choice for pet owners seeking an all-in-one grooming solution. With a combination of quiet operation, versatility, and easy maintenance, this clipper is ideal for achieving professional quality grooming results without unnecessary stress on pets. At number 1, the Oneisall Dog Clipper stands out as the best choice for pet owners seeking a quiet, efficient, and beginner-friendly grooming tool. Designed with a silent motor that reduces noise by 17%, it operates below 50 decibels, ensuring even the most sensitive pets remain calm during grooming. This clipper is perfect for beginners, featuring a simple one-touch startup and 6 guide combs ranging from 3 to 18 mm, making it easy to trim pets of all hair lengths. The sharp yet safe stainless steel fixed blade is designed with a 3-layer protection system to minimize the risk of injury while providing a precise and comfortable cut. One of its standout features is its ability to function while charging, eliminating the worry of battery depletion mid-session. Maintenance is effortless, as the cutter head can be removed in just 1 second for quick cleaning under running water, ensuring consistent and optimal performance. Built for convenience and reliability, the Oneisall Dog Clipper has been a top-selling product for 10 years, trusted by over 1.5 million households worldwide. Whether used for routine trims or full grooming sessions, this clipper delivers professional-grade results in the comfort of home. With its quiet operation, sharp yet safe blade, and easy-to-use design, the Oneisall Dog Clipper is the ultimate solution for keeping pets looking their best while minimizing anxiety. It is a must-have for pet owners who want an efficient and stress-free grooming experience.